guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we kick off 12 days of collabs. Yay! I'm so excited. For the next 12 days, we're gonna have amazing content creators that I will be collaborating with, and we have all sorts of great ideas for the holidays, as well as just some fun makeup content. So if you're interested in seeing who will kick off 12 days of collabs in the most amazing way, as well as what we're talking about, then just keep watching. Guys, I'm so excited if you can't tell. Today we're kicking off 12 days of collabs, and I could not be more thrilled to share with you who I'm starting off the collabs with. So basically it's like 12 days collabs, like 12 days of Christmas. I couldn't really commit to Mishmas or Vlogmas or everything that other creators do. I have kids. Christmas, it's all about the kids. But what I thought I could do to really make it a fun holiday season on my channel is instead of 12 days of Christmas, do 12 days of collabs. I'm kind of known for doing a lot of collabs. I just love working with other people. And so first of all, shout out to Beauty and the Frizz for that amazing idea. But second of all, I wanted to kind of tell you how it's gonna go. For the next 12 days, I will be collaborating with a different creator every single day. We'll have different content ideas on gift ideas, on makeup related content, and just make it really, really fun. These videos are meant to be fun, collaborative. They're meant to help introduce you to other channels and them as well. But because of that, because we're going hard for 12 days straight, I'm gonna keep the videos pretty short for the most part. I don't want you guys to get bored of me, but I'm just so excited that I get to be here. My camera broke, like all kinds of stuff was wrong with my equipment, and I thought I might not make it here, but I'm excited. Today, we are collaborating with Allison Chase. Allison Chase is a luxury content creator here on YouTube. She lives in Canada, and she's been on YouTube for a really long time. She is a hair and makeup artist, and she has a professional consulting service. So whenever you log on to her videos, you can always click the link and do some beauty consulting with her, like book an appointment if you want to talk about how to create a certain eye look or what the best red lipstick is. If you want to walk through your skincare routine to see if she can give you some advice. All of that is a service that she provides. So after this video, definitely go check her out. I am, like I said, just so excited that I get to work with her. I've been watching her for a little bit, but the best way to explain her is about a month ago, I logged on to one of her YouTube videos, and she was talking about, come with me to a day in Paris. So, you know, I clicked on it, like, what is she talking about? Basically, she started by just narrating what our day would look like if we were in Paris together. And it was so entertaining and just so like imaginative, like so creative that I was just like, oh my God, like I really felt like I could picture what she was talking about. And I, you know, was like, wow, that's kind of cool. Like that's kind of a gift. And so anytime that I talk to people about her, I always say, go watch her Day in Paris with Me video, because you will see like a very fun side to her, a very creative side, along with seeing some amazing content on her luxury makeup. But I just think she's an amazing person. We spent a little bit of time together when we were planning for the collab, and she's just sweet, you guys. Like you just sit and you just chill with her, and she's curious about you. She asks questions. She shares about herself. Like she's just a really good, honest, down-to-earth person, and I just really enjoy her. Allison, thank you, friend, for working with me. I am honored. I'm honored. I'm so excited. I can't wait for people that maybe haven't seen your channel yet to come check you out, because they're gonna love you just as much as I do. Again, what an amazing way to kick off 12 days of collabs. So I will leave all of her information down below in the description box, as well as her socials, so that you guys can go follow her on Instagram, and we will go ahead and get started. Before we get started, during the video, if you like what you see, give me a like, make sure and subscribe. Go watch that 1,000 subscriber luxury unboxing video. Basically, I unboxed the giveaway that I will be sharing with somebody for my 1,000 subscriber celebration. That closes December 18th, and so I want everybody to be able to enter that giveaway and, you know, have an opportunity to win that luxury box. So make sure and go check that out. without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the Lippie Tag. All right, today we're talking about the Lippie Tag. I originally saw this video idea on Miss Melissa M Beauty, and she collaborated with Lisa J, who you guys know is just one of my faves. And basically, what they were talking about was different lipsticks, lipstick combinations, or on-the-go lipsticks that they like for certain occasions, or just in general. So they had 9 really fun categories. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Favorite Nude Lip. So for me, it's kind of a combination, and so I've used it quite a bit. Right now I have a different go-to lip, which we'll talk about later, but for the longest time, my favorite go-to lip combo has been, you're gonna be a little shocked, it's the KKW No. 2 Nude Lip Liner, and I just line my lips really lightly, and then I go in with my Fenty lip paint, and this is in the shade Uncuffed, and you really can't see this brown with this on top, but this is a little too pinky, and so the liner provides like the perfect brown base for this to look perfect. This is a matte lipstick. It stays on very, very long. It doesn't crack, it doesn't dry out my lips, and I absolutely like this nude lip, and so because of that, it's my favorite nude lip but combo. Next category is my favorite bold lip, and I'm actually wearing it right now. My favorite bold lip has to go to Lisa Eldridge. The shade that I'm wearing is Velvet Midnight, and it is just absolutely stunning. It's like the perfect like brown, berry, chocolate like mixture that you can think of. It looks sort of like the Ofra Cosmetics Brooklyn that I wore in one of my videos, except it's not as ashy brown in the undertones as this. This is a little more berry undertone, but I like it. I like it with a nude eye. I like it even with this, it's a little bit more colorful. I think it just brings the focus back to the lips, and it kind of just neutralizes everything. And it's my favorite. Not only is it my favorite bold color, but it's my favorite like velvet matte formula. I mean, when they say velvet, they mean velvet. It is gorgeous, and this is my absolute favorite bold color right now. All right, you guys, so this is gonna be a little embarrassing. The next one is worst trendy lip that you used all the time. Now, I'm a child of the 90s, and so like this was just a trend. I'm gonna try to find a picture and pop it up here. Embarrassing. But basically, you would take a color like this one. This is the Victoria Beckham No. 4, and it's kind of dark, right? And so you would take a dark lip liner and you would line your lips and then put like a really nude lipstick in the middle, or just nothing at all, like just leave it lined really dark. Super gangster, super crazy, like I don't know, I look at those pictures and I just cringe because it's nasty, but everybody else was doing it too, and so that was like the worst trend that I used to wear all the time. Gross. Next, we have favorite warm toned lippy. My favorite warm toned lippy that I knew immediately was going to be my Propa Beauty. This is in the shade Limitless. It is such a beautiful color. It's so, so warm. It's such a beautiful color. It's kind of orangey, but it's just so, so nice. I don't normally tend to wear colors like this, but I really love this formula. It's very like glossy and sheeny, but it doesn't bleed everywhere. I can still get like 2 to 3 hours of wear time out of it, and I really, really enjoy it. I've been meaning to get more of these shades because everybody raves about their nudes collection, but you know, between every other lipstick that I've been buying lately, I just haven't gotten around to it, but I'm so, so happy with this formula. I love this color. I actually got it in my Trend Mood box the month that they had like Black Beauty, and I was so excited because my friends had all told me just how wonderful it was. So this one, automatically favorite warm toned lippy. The next one is my favorite cool toned combo. I wore this in a couple videos, and I just raved about this gloss or balm so much because I just think it's so pretty. But I am talking about the Pat McGrath Contour Liner. It's in this shade here, and it is exactly that. It's a very cool toned brown. Hardly shows up on my skin, but it's there and I can see it. It's so pretty. What I like to combine it with to make it super cool toned is this Pat McGrath Blue Astral Quad Lip Balm. Oh my god, you guys, it is the absolute best. I love it so much. I actually will line the lips, or I'll even fill them in, and then I'll go in with this blue lip balm. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's there. There we go. It's got little flecks of blue glitter, and I just love it so much. It has to go with the right eye combo, but I just love these bombs so much. I picked up a couple of the ones from the Rose Decadence collection, and when I run out of the blue one, I hope they still have this because I will pick it up again. So pretty. All right, the next one is, what lipstick do you think looks good on others but you think looks hideous on you? And I hate to say it because I love this formula so much and I want to get more shades, but the one that I thought of was the Hermes. This is from their fall collection, and this is in the shade Rose Nuit. I really tried, guys. I really tried to wear this, but it's just too pink for me. I feel like it looks good on like deeper complexions than me or lighter, but I'm like in that weird in between, and I just think it looks gross. It just looks, I don't know. That being said, I love this formula so much, and I do want to pick up more colors, but this color specifically, ugh, I just can't. Maybe I'll try it for spring. Maybe not, I don't know. Number 7, what lipstick would you never wear in public? I would have to say I don't have a color for that. I mean, aside from the Rose Nuit that I just shared that I don't like to wear out, I'm like a true lover of like makeup. Like I am pretty adventurous. Like I would wear anything. I mean, I have my purple rosy, my Gucci Rosy Plum. I have my Agatha Orange from Gucci. I have some gray mattes. I was really disappointed when I couldn't get the green matte lipstick from the new Milk collection because they were sold out. So I will wear blue. I mean, there's just nothing that I won't do. I just love color. I love makeup. I love playing with makeup, and for the most part, I don't feel ridiculous wearing anything except the Rose Nuit. So I guess that would be it. But yeah, I don't really think I have one. Number 8, what's my favorite go-to lip combo right now? My favorite go-to lip combo, and I actually talked about it yesterday in my favorites, is this Patrick Ta Oh She's Single liner. I think it's so good, and it's like the perfect like camel like brown. It's so good. I really like it, and I like to combine it with my Natasha Denona I Need a Nude, and this is in the shade Andrea, so you can see that there. Super nice combo. But then I always like to top it with some gloss, and the gloss shade that I've been really loving lately is the Wayne Goss. This is in the shade Hyacinth, and it's like the perfect peachy pinky balance to what we've got going on with the liner and lipstick, and I really like it. And so that's what we get there. So that's my favorite go-to lip combo at the moment. I think it's beautiful. And the last one, what lip products do you grab for a quick grab and go lip color or lip look? And I have 3. Now, I like to wear matte lipsticks quite a bit, especially because I'm on Zoom calls all day for work or I'm filming, and I want to be able to talk and to eat and drink if I have to in between without it smearing everywhere, and so that's why I prefer matte lipsticks. However, when I'm running out the door and I'm just going to be out and about, I like to just grab like a balm or a gloss. Like that's kind of my thing. Glosses I'm staying away from a little bit more just because of the mask situation, but I'm going to show you the 3 that I love. Number 1, I love the Tom Ford Bomb Frost. It's essentially clear, but it has this really pretty like glitter everywhere, and I just think it's so nice. It's just clear with like specks of glitter everywhere, but it's not too much to where it's obnoxious. It's just really nice, and I really enjoy this one. The next one that I have, and I actually have 2 of these, but the other one's in my purse right now, and it's the Chantecaille lip veils. These are from the Walk for Giants collection that they released in the fall. This is in the shade Plumeria. The one that I have in my purse right now is Tamarind, and they're both just as nice. Tamarind is a little bit more brown, but it just gives the lips like a slight sheer color, and I just really enjoy how hydrating it is. These 2, they're not too balmy or too glossy to where they're gonna stick to my mask either, so I really like that, but they're still very hydrating. And so those are my 2 go-tos, I guess you could say. And then the last one, which is more of a gloss, but I just love it so much. I actually learned about this from Lisa J, funny enough. This is called the Lifter Gloss, and it has hyaluronic acid, so it's gonna make your lips really plumpy and juicy and hydrated. It's got pigment, but it's not as pigmented as it comes off on the swatch. You'll see it in the B-roll, but it's just so pretty, and then it gives your lips like a nice gloss, but then like a you know, like a really ruby look to it. It's not gonna paint them this color pink, and I really enjoy it. It's not too sticky. It lasts quite a while, and so that's really good for a lip gloss. And I really, really enjoy these. So on the go for a quick lip combo or lip look, that's what I'm gonna reach for more often than not. So there you have it, guys. That is my Lippie Tag. Again, this Lippie Tag was in collaboration with Allison Chase. Please make sure and go follow her on YouTube and Instagram. Go watch her video and let her know that I said hello and that I sent you. Thank you so much for taking the time to do that. We're really excited about what we've got in the next 12 days for you all. Allison, thank you. I am so proud to have worked with you. You were just the best, the sweetest person to kick off the 12 days of collabs, and I'm just really glad that we're friends. So thank you so much for working with me. Thank you to everybody that watched. I hope you guys enjoy the next 11 days of collabs. I hope that you guys are getting ready for Christmas. I hope that everybody's safe and that you're enjoying this holiday time with your family. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like if you like what you saw, and definitely go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That's where we like to connect, like one-on-one, and just talk about makeup, make friends. Like, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to connect with other makeup enthusiasts, other skincare enthusiasts, and so really happy that we have that platform where we can do that. So thanks again so much, you guys. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yay, bye!